Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to fix TikTok Shop product not showing. Sometimes TikTok Shop products may not appear because of regional restrictions. If you're outside the supported regions, you can use a VPN to access all products. First thing first, install a reliable VPN app or an extension. For this video, I'm using the free VPN extension by Mozilla. Just activate the VPN, then head to the search bar and type TikTok Shop. Visit the TikTok Shop website and then log into your TikTok account. Now, you can view and browse all the products available on the TikTok Shop if you're using it in a country where TikTok Shop is available like US, UK, Singapore, or Indonesia, Malaysia, etc. And that's it, guys. Always connect to a region where TikTok Shop operates, and some payment and shipping options still be restricted based on your actual delivery address. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.